This is our patio. I love our patio. That's a pretty flower. Here is our waterfall. There are no fish now. I used to have fish in here. And that's our mountain view way far in the distance. Anyway, it's a gorgeous day today. And my roses will only have a few left. Just about done. That's our bird bath. There was a cardinal there earlier. And as you can see, my roses are pretty done. There's my herb garden, my basil, our orange tree. And we have a little fireplace. And there's where I had my cup of coffee this afternoon. And here's some more herbs. Mint. There's our little table. And so now you had a tour of our back patio.